Hello. So I'll be showing you another example of a circuit using fluid sim. So this time let's open a file and let's zoom out a little to have a wider screen for this simulation. And of course, let's put first our title. So to put the symbol here on the left side into the screen here at the right side, you just drag the symbol to this screen, and then let's change the title. I will show you a simple electric circuit. So this time I will just be doing a simple electric circuit. So I'm not doing the pneumatic part, but just the electric circuit using a coil and with just a coil and an indicator light. Let me look up indicator light. Okay, so in this example, I'll be showing you how to energize this coil using a start and stop button, and then it will remain on. The coil will remain on its own on state as even if I release the start button. Okay, of course there will be a supply of 24 volts and then 0 volts, and the stop button. Okay, where is it? Okay, here. Stop, and then stop is the normally close in the electrical term, or in the pneumatic term, it's a brake switch, and the normally open is called a make switch in the pneumatic term or the pneumatic circuit. Okay, so let's rename this. Let's label this one. This is stop, and then this one is the make switch or the start. And then let's name this one as R1 or just R, meaning relay. And then let's simulate. Press start. This is the start. Okay, so we can click this start button now. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the small hand. My cursor is changed into a small hand. Okay, let's press the start button. So as you can see, as I click the start, the coil is energized, but it did not remain on its on state as I release the start button. So what we will add to this one is a make switch or a normally open, so that it will latch or the coil will remain on its on state. Okay, let me look for the normally open or the make switch. It's here, make switch. So if you hover your cursor on the symbol, it will show the name of the symbol on the right side, left side. Okay, we will put here and we will name that R because it is a contact of the coil, R. So let's just disregard this indicator lamp. We will add it later. Okay, let's simulate, play, and then click start. Okay, so here you can see that the coil is energized and it remains on its on state, meaning it does not turn off. But if you press the stop button, okay, the coil is de-energized. Okay, again, let's click the start button. It is energized. The coil is energized here. So the red lines indicates the flow of current. So let's click the stop button and then let's stop the simulation. So let's put here an indicator lamp light, indicator light, so that you will see that as the coil is in its on state, the light also turns on. Okay, wait. Then, okay, you can put the indicator lamp here, but to make it easier for us to, you know, see or to, what do you call that? To see or to analyze the flow of current, let's just put a contact here of R in series with the indicator lamp. So once the coil is energized, this make switch or normally open is energized also, meaning it become normally closed. So my connection now, there will be a flow of current here as well as in this contact here. Meaning, once this is energized, this contact R, the lamp will also be energized. So let's change the color to make it new. Let's choose green, meaning it is energized. Okay, let's play. Click start. There it is. So once the coil is energized, the green indicator light is turned on. So once we stop it, this off, turn off. So that's it for a simple electric circuit. It is a way of energizing a coil with an indicator indicator light. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Just comment down below if you have questions or recommendations, suggestions for my next video regarding this fluid sim simulation. Thank you. Please subscribe also.